unwrap your other present.
Okay. Okay. Whoa! 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 Oh, I love it.
What do you think?
It's so cool.
What is it?
It's a Barbie house. It's huge.
It's a huge Barbie house. Guess what?
What?
Your daddy and I have been working on this ever since Thanksgiving. This was the Barbie house that I had when I was little. And Daddy and I fixed it up for you.
I love it.
Do you love it? Love it?
Yeah.
What do you see in there?
I see a whole bunch of stuff. Candles don't really work, do they?
They do.
Well, how do you turn them on?
I'll show you. Okay. I'm going to get a close-up of the rooms and then we can